As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Master Cook 3-burner and the Blackstone 17 inches tabletop. Which one should I get?
Okay, let's break them down. The Master Cook is a full-sized grill, right? It's got a larger cooking area, like 472 square inches, and it's pumping out 30,000 BTUs with its 3 burners.
Yeah, that sounds like it can handle a lot of burgers at once.
Exactly. The Blackstone, on the other hand, is much smaller, only 267 square inches, and a single burner putting out 12,500 BTUs. It's designed for portability.
Portability is a plus. I do sometimes want to grill at the park. But is the Master Cook hard to move?
Well, it's got wheels, so you can move it, but it weighs around 46 pounds. The Blackstone is only 17.5 pounds, so it's much easier to lug around. Also, the Blackstone is a tabletop design, so you'll need a table.
Gotcha. What about features?
The Master Cook has foldable side shelves, which are handy for prep space. It also has a built-in thermometer.
Nice.
The Blackstone has a rear grease management system, which is super convenient for cleanup. And it's got a stainless steel front plate, which looks pretty sharp.
Okay, so big difference in size and power. What about price?
The Master Cook is around $199, while the Blackstone is about $110.
The Blackstone is definitely cheaper.
Yeah, but you're getting a asterisk lot more grilling space with the Master Cook. It really depends on your needs. Are you usually grilling for a crowd? Or just yourself or a small group?
Usually just a few people, but sometimes I have friends over.
And, do you have space to store a full-sized grill? The Master Cook is 46 inches wide, while the Blackstone is only 21 inches.
Space is a bit tight, actually.
Then maybe the Blackstone is a better fit. It's more portable, easier to store, and still powerful enough for smaller meals. Plus, it's cheaper.
True. I think I'm leaning towards the Blackstone. Thanks for the breakdown.
No problem. Happy grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.